Hello friends, welcome to Ulfania. Today in this video I am gonna show you how to create a simple navigation menu using Bootstrap 4 in which I will use PHP to make navigation link active. So basically I am going to create a header.php file and use this in every page. So let's start. So first we need to create a folder inside XAMPP htdoc folder. Okay, so first open your XAMPP htdoc folder, and inside this folder I'm going to create my folder name for the project. So I'm keeping active link. Okay, now just spelling mistake, active link. Now just open this in your editor. So just now this is our folder. Now inside this folder I'm going to create a index.php file first. So here we will just write HTML5 basic structure, and here we will write the title of the page. So we can write home page here, and now in the body we will include our header file. But before including we have to create the header.php file. So before doing this we have to just open w3school.com and click on learn Bootstrap 4, and from here click on get started. Now click this CDN link of bootstrap min.css. okay, and paste here inside the head tag. Now this is our home page. Okay, now I am going to create a header.php file. Now in this header.php file I'm going to create just select HTML here, and here first I will create nav, and here we will use Bootstrap classes here. So first here I will use navbar expand, expand sm, and bg dark, and here navbar dark. Now inside this nav I'm going to create a link, and here I'm giving a Bootstrap class here also, navbar brand, and here I will write my brand name. Now inside this I'm going to create and here using navbar nav. Now li, and here I will use class nav item. Now inside this li tag I'm going to create first link for home page. So here we will just write in href. Here we will write index.php. okay, now here We will also use Bootstrap class nav link, and inside this class we will also use PHP. So for PHP, just select PHP here and write PHP, and I will use if. Now base name, and inside this function I will write server PHP self. Now if this is equal to index.php, then we will echo, active, and in else we will echo nothing. Okay, so just here. So what this code means? So what is this base name function? What the function of this base name? So the base name function returns the base name of a file. I will show you later. And this server $_server PHP self is a super global variable that returns the file name of the currently executing script. So I will also show you this later. Now just copy this and paste inside here, and now we will just change this to our second page. Sorry, we have to mention here also home. Okay, so this is this link is for our home page, and this link is for our services page. And if you want to make it short, this code looks like so weird. So if you want to make it short, then there is a shortcut. So for this, if you have to just write like this, and here just remove if, and also remove all this thing, and also this, and here we will use question mark, and we will write active, and colon, and now this is empty. Now this is, so this is the shortcut of if and else statement. Okay, first question mark, and then active, and then again colon, and then empty parenthesis, and then close. So this is the shortcut. If you want to use this, then you can use this. You can also use this long method. Okay, so here we will also change services. So we did not created the services.php page yet, so we will create it later. So just copy this and make another link. So we will and here you have to also write services.php, and here we will write gallery, and here also gallery, and here gallery. Now again paste. Now here we will write blog, and here so write blog. You can also use contact. Here also contact. Okay, so this is our navigation using Bootstrap 4 and PHP. Now let's include inside body tag. So here we will use PHP and include header.php. okay, now save this and open your project here. So our project name is active link. So you can see this is not looking good, don't know why. So let's check where is the problem. Everything is okay here. Let's check here. Here we will use LG. So this is nav, this is UL, and okay. So we have done a mistake here. We have written all the link inside a single li tag. So we just have to fix that. So this li is for first tag. So here we will just close the li, and here we will write li, and inside this we have to keep this link, and here also li, and cut this here and paste here. Now here also li, cut, paste. Now here li, remove this, and this is the last to close. Okay, now save this and refresh. So this is our navigation. So currently our we are in home page. So you can see the home is highlighting here, means home is active. If we click on services, then the services .php file is not found. So we have to create it first. So go to index, and here we will also show the page name that we are in. Okay, so we can just use echo. Now base name, we will use base name function here, and we will just write server and server PHP self. Okay, now here you will understand why I am using base name and server PHP self. So just refresh this. So you can see here index.php is written here. So this server $_server PHP self returns the currently executing file, and we are in home page, and home page file name is saved with index.php. So if we remove this base name, okay, from here, and let's check. So what it returns, it returns the file name with the absolute path of the file. Okay, so you can see this file is kept under active link folder and then the index.php. So we need to show only the base name of the file. Okay, so we have used base name here. Okay, so you understand why I used base name. You can put this cut and h1 tag and paste in this and click save. Now you can see this is the index page. So let's just copy the whole thing of this index.php and create your pages. So now services.php, now paste, and here we will write services, and here no need to change anything, just save this. Okay, now go to your refresh, and if I click on services, then you can see we are on services.php page and the with file name, and this active link is working properly here, you can see. And if we come back to the home, then home is the active link now, and if we go to services, like this we will do for these three. So just create quickly, so gallery.php, paste here gallery. Okay, now again blog.php, paste blog. Now lastly we have contact.php, paste change contact. Okay, now refresh. Now if we click on home, then we will go to the home page, and home, this link is active now. Services, this link is active. Gallery, this link is active. Blog, this link is active, and contact, this link is active. Now there is one header file, and we use in the multiple pages. And if you want to change any thing in the navigation menu, then you have to just change in the header.php file. And if you want to add one more link here, then you have to do in header.php only, php file only, and not in all. Okay, so this is the benefit of creating active link using PHP. So now here you can just remove this and write your content here, whatever you want to show in the home page and in services page and in gallery page. Like if I want to remove this and I want to show a jumbotron here, let's go to here and just copy this and paste here. Now save and go to refresh, and when I click on home, then you can see we are in home page, and home link is active now. Okay, and this is the content of the home page. And if we go to the services, like this, you can do anything separately in each page, and this will work fine. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, then hit on like button and please subscribe to my channel.